Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me here on my channel, Septeria 18. Last week I received in the post your Creative Studios October subscription box. I was sick last week, so I wasn't able to unbox the October box last week, but I want to show you guys as well as myself, because I haven't seen what's inside, and share with you what's inside your Creative Studios October box. So it's really exciting. I have received their previous boxes, August, September, and this is the October one. And hopefully I will have the November box as well sometime in the next few weeks. I'll also put the link down below to your Creative Studios store if you're interested in subscribing to their monthly boxes. You could also do them in monthly or 2-month subscriptions as well. But their boxes are so much fun. They're a great little box for you. They have everything that you need if you're into vintage or shabby style junk journaling or vintage style paper crafts. So I want to show you guys and have a look inside of what's in the October box. So this is her thank you card, which is lovely. It's so nice and sturdy, very great quality. And it's got a little fairy on here, so I'm believing that this is a fairy theme. And that's another great thing with these subscription boxes. You don't know what's inside the box when you receive them, and it's always just exciting to see what you receive and then what you could do to play around with their crafting supplies. So I'm going to open this one and have a look. It's always jam-packed full of lovely stuff. I've enjoyed their last two boxes, so I'm going to see what's inside these ones. And she normally has cling stamps or wood stamps in these lovely brown envelopes. So let me see. We'll start with these cling stamps that's inside. So let's have a look and see what's in this one. I get so excited opening these little packages and not knowing what's inside. Okay, this is, oh look at that, isn't that just pretty? It's a fairy wood stamp. This is a wood stamp, so it's ready for me to just use and stamp. I don't really use a lot of fairy theme or work with fairy theme projects, so this would be fun for me to have a go at working with some fairies on my projects. Isn't she just so sweet, so pretty? So that is one of the wood stamps. This is a washi tape, and generally there is also washi tape in here as well. That is part of the theme. Oh, this is lovely. Look at the color. It's a nice, like a burnt brown color washi with some earthy tones. Open this so we can see what kind of prints are on here. It's really nice. I'm getting there. Okay. And it's really nice, and it really sticks really well, this washi. Some washes don't have a good sticky backing on it, so sometimes I've got to add extra liquid glue to the back. But oh, look how cute this is. Let's see one more. There's another little fairy. This is a cute little girl fairy. So this is the washi. Oh, so cute. Oh, it's adorable. Okay, let's see what else is inside. That's another wood stamp. Oh, this is cute. This is, I think, a little boy. This one is a girl. And it's a nice large size too. That's great. This is beautiful. Okay, let's see what else is inside. Always full of fun stuff. And this is, what is this? Looks like paper strips. Okay, these are like just some little paper strips that you could use to create as little clusters. They're like little ticket kind of strips, I suppose. They're all the same inside, and there's heaps in here, and you can just tear these and make little clusters, add these to your pages, and add these as to make collages. This is great too. So many in here, so that's a great little paper strip pad that I could use. Oh, there's another little brown packaging. Looks like another stamp. And it's a very generous box full of goodies as well. A lot of fun stuff. Oh, this is nice. Wow, this is a large one. This is a cling stamp. Oh, this has two really cute, pretty fairies on this one. This is beautiful as well. It's nice and big. Wow, this is lovely. Look at that. What a nice detail. That's pretty. Very pretty. Oh, it's this one here. This is a cute little booklet. No, it goes this way. Oh, these are all little vellum pieces. I just love vellum. Look at that. Oh, look, so many in here. These are great as well to make into collages or just embellish your pages. There's tons of them in here. And it's all vellum. And it's a nice, it's not thin, so it's a really nice thickness as well. And it's heaps in here. All different ledger prints. All of these. It's really nice. Love this. And it's a nice colour too. It's not, there are different tones of like greenish, almost greenish colours. Some with like a brown colour. It's lovely. I cannot wait to work with these. I love vellum. So that's cute. This is nice. I like the cover of this. What's inside this one? I think these might be stickers. Just trying to find the opening. This is a nice, lovely cover. It's beautiful. And I can't wait to share with you some of my shabby projects as well, which hopefully I'll be able to do in my next video or so. So this is a nice box. Inside. Oh my goodness, look at all these. Wow. Oh, look at these. These are just so nice. I love little shapes and ephemeras, little die cuts with little images. And it's just so much, there's so much you could do with all of these. Look at all these lovely prints. Look at this one. Torn book pages, book page. Oh, these are nice. I think these are stickers. I think these are stickers which are so much easier to work on your projects instead of gluing them all the time. Oh yeah, they are stickers. Can be a little bit hard to peel off sometimes, sorry. So that's the backing and that's how it looks like. So it's nice and thin. I love these. I just love staring at them. Sometimes I don't even want to use them. Do you get like that as well, where you have all of these fun ephemeras and die cuts and you just like to look at them but not actually use them? I just like to hoard them, like this one. This is so pretty. I don't know, I just like looking at them and just keep them in its packages. And then every now and then I may decide to use them. But there's so many in here. They're all pretty much the same. Very vintage. And just so pretty. I love florals. I love things with flowers on them. It just makes your pages and the projects look so pretty and dainty. And it just makes your layout really lovely to look at. All right, so that's all of those that's in there. And I think these are also in that box. Oh, look at these. These are lovely printing paper with some nice flowers. There's another one. it's nice and thin too. So these are great. I can tear these and then make them into collages. Some more vellum. These are all vellum flowers. There's that one. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I love them, and I love the colours. It's like purple and pink colours. So that's was in that box. Oh, I can't wait to play with these. I can't wait to come up with a nice project. And for I can be able to do a fairy theme style project. And these look like tags or just some die cut shapes that you could use. You can use these to journal. And there's a ton of these. Look how many you get inside. And they're all the same. And again, it's a nice textured paper as well. I love this feel of that. It's got a nice little fairy. It's like a nice ornate shape cut out. This is pretty. There's a whole heap of these. These are great. You can make these into tiny little booklets. And then you can use these to journal, add into some pockets. So that's another fun little pack. Still more in here. This is a notepad. How cute is that? That's a show I don't normally work with fairies because I don't see many of these images. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, look at that. Isn't she just so sweet looking? Oh, and they're all the same. Oh no, they're so you get a bunch of the same of that one, and then there's this one. Oh, look at this. Oh no, it's a boy. I think it's a boy. So cute. Actually looking forward to making a fairy theme project. Oh, look at this one. Isn't she just so pretty? I like this one. It's nice. So there's 3 different images in there. So that's that. Some more little package pieces in here. Looks like stickers. Oh, these are nice. These are very, very vintage. I think they're sticker sheets. And these are great. You can just tear these, and then you can also do the same and add these and make these as collages. Oh, look at these faux stamps. Oh, they're nice. Look at these. These are great. So there's a whole bunch of these sticker sheets. Very vintage. Lovely prints. So that's those in there. And there's another sticker sheet with some fairies. Oh, these are so adorable. I love looking at them. These are the same images that were that coordinate with the notepad, as well as the, I think I did see, as well as these ones. So they all coordinate. So this is great. It would be a nice project to coordinate. And look at these. These are some 6x6 papers, single-sided prints. Beautiful. So pretty. Love the patterns. Love the florals. Oh yes, I'm going to have so much fun with these. So hopefully I'll have a project to share with you, or maybe 2, using the October subscription box from your creative studio, using their fairy theme for that month. So I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. I get all excited when I unbox a box and I don't know what's inside. So I'm going to put the link down below for you, and you can have a look at their options if you're interested in subscribing to their boxes. You don't know what you get in every month, but it's really well worth it if you're into working on these projects, or if you're a beginner into working with junk journaling or vintage style theme projects. This is a great little starter pack for you as well. So I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all soon with some more of my shabby projects, as well as all of my other fun projects using my pop colors as well. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.